MJS nagsorry sa hate post laban sa AZ Bell duo ng PBB Collab Edition. Alright! Kung di pa po kayo nakapollow, follow and share lang po para sa news update. Salamat! Nag-issue ng public apology ang kapuso mo Jessica Soho kay MJS matapos di umanong mag-retweet ng hate post laban sa PBB Celebrity Collab Edition duo na Asber. Kabilang ang tambalan ni AC Martinez at River Joseph sa mga nakapasok na duo sa Big Four ng latest edition ng PBB. Pero may mga netizen na nananawagan sa hindi pagboto at pagsuporta sa Asber. Ito nga ang laman ng ni-retweet kay MJS sa kanilang ex account na burado na ngayon. Siyempre, beast mode ang fans ni na AZ at River dahil sa naturang post. Kasunod nito, nag-issue ng official statement ang KMJS tungkol sa kontrobersya. Narito ang kanilang buong pahayag. Around 1:40 a.m. on June 29, we were made aware of a retweet from our program account that appeared to endorse the eviction of one of the Big Four duos from the Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. We understand the frustration this was caused and are currently investigating those who had access to the account at the time. We sincerely apologize to those who felt disappointed or upset. There's no intention to show bias or favoritism. We're taking this matter seriously and are reviewing our internal processes to ensure it doesn't happen again. Sa comment section ng naturang expose, bumaha ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa netizens. Narito ang ilan sa nabasa namin. Thank you for acknowledging what happened and hope it doesn't happen again. We also hope that proper actions will be taken to, however, is spreading negativity using your big and influential platform. We believe Miss Jessica Soho stands for fairness and will be doing what right to resolve this issue. Again, thank you and God bless. Please fire the admin. KMJS is such a respectable program. People like that do not deserve to be part of the production in any way. As a program that promotes education, factual information, and unbiased news and integrity, it's disappointing for us that there are some staffs who don't not value of these principles. Thank you for the statements and we hope for your actions with regards to this matter. Clearly, this goes to show that there are people in your show who promotes hate. Hopefully that person or they should be held liable and removed from your team. Thank you for taking actions. Thank you for acknowledging your mistake. We hope appropriate action will be taken regarding this serious matter to prevent further hate being directed sa Asber. At yan ang totoo. Thank you for watching po. Follow for more video. Salamat!